Hey, what's up guys? Jersey Nick Moto. I'm taking a ride down to the Harley dealer today because I got a decision to make. Should I extend the warranty on my 2015 Road Glide Special? This is my 2015 Road Glide I'm riding today. Her name's Lola. She's been all around the country with me. I bought her new in February of 2015, and I just got a little postcard in the mail the other day from Harley saying that this coming February her extended warranty is going to expire. So now I'm wondering whether or not I should renew it. And I'm going to be passing by the Harley dealer today, so I figured I'd stop in. If they're not too crowded, maybe I could talk to somebody and just see how much it would cost to extend it. And I got a feeling it's going to be a lot of money, and I'm probably not going to do it, but I don't know, I'm having second thoughts because I do ride her a lot. I do travel with her a lot. She's got a decent amount of mileage on her for 2015, and I do beat the shit out of her. I mean, I've ridden the shit out of this bike since it was brand new. And she served me well. I haven't had any kind of serious problems, you know, and knock on wood. But I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it. I want to try and get in there today and just see how much it would cost. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. I mean, it's a beautiful Saturday afternoon in December. The place is probably packed because we got such a nice riding day today. But I don't know. I don't know what to do. Since I've got her, I mean, I've used the warranty on a couple occasions. When I had this bike about 5 months, and I believe I was out in South Dakota at the time. It's a Road Glide that has a double LED headlight in the front. Half of the headlight went out. I still had, you know, half a headlight, so I just left it. I made it home. And when I brought it in for service, they said that, when I looked at it, that they had to change the whole unit. And the whole unit was, I think it was about 800 bucks. If a headlight on this bike is 800 bucks, then yeah, I guess the warranty comes in handy sometimes. I think also with it, it would extend the tire and wheel. I think about 2 years ago, I got a nail in my back tire, and they took care of that. It was a pretty new back tire, so it came in handy then. And I know I've had both of these, both the brake master cylinder and the master cylinder here for the hydraulic clutch. They both started leaking at one time. One was a recall, it was covered under that, and then the other one was covered under warranty. So I have used it on occasions. And the bike is getting older. I don't plan on getting rid of her. I mean, hell, they call me once a month to try and get me to come in and trade in for a Milwaukee 8, but that's not happening. We still got a lot of places to go and see on this bike. So I am going to keep her. So I'm trying to decide what to do. I'm trying to decide if it's worth it or not. I do go to Harley for service. Some people tell me I should take it to an independent shop, and I don't know. I mean, it does cost a little more to bring it to Harley, but they've treated me well over here. Harley Davidson of Ocean County, that's the Harley dealer that I use. I live 50 miles away, but I come down here because they do treat me well. Actually, when I started buying bikes from here, I lived about 60, 65 miles away. So they treat me pretty well. I never had any complaints. So that's why I bring it here. Plus, I go in for service on a Saturday morning, wait for it. I don't have to have anybody drop me off, or I don't have to worry about getting a ride home. So I do like bringing it here. And then I know there's going to be people out there that says, you know, you should just wrench on it yourself. And I'll be honest with you, you know, I'm not a mechanic. I don't have the time or the ability to do that. Especially these new bikes, when everything is computerized and there's fuel injection. I mean, yeah, if it had a carburetor, maybe I would fuck with it, but I just feel better with somebody that knows what they're doing to do that. New Jersey traffic circles. You want to see a bunch of chaos and people not knowing what to do? Try and go around a traffic circle in New Jersey. Alright, so I got a chance to talk to somebody. They really weren't that crowded at all. What it was, off the top of my head, first thing is, you have to have less than 75,000 miles on a bike. And I'm currently under that, so I'm still good with that. And it started off to extend it 1 year, the ESP with tire and wheel, it was somewhere around $1,400. If you wanted to extend it for 2 years, it went up $400. If you wanted to extend it for 3 years, it went up another $400. So it kept going up like that. You could extend it as much as 5 years, and that was somewhere around $3,000. I got a little while yet. The warranty expires in February. He said if I really wanted to do it, to get back to him by the middle of January. So I got time to think about it, but I don't know. That's a little pricey. Yeah. Route 70 in Lakewood on a Saturday afternoon. Anybody out there ever extend their warranty when it was up on their Harley? Do you think it's worth it? Did it come in handy? Did you just say fuck it and take your chances? Leave a comment down there. Let me know. Let me know what you think. I'm going to think about it, and I'll let you know what I do down the road. Wow, that's a big flood. And that's a nice Corvette too. Alright guys, I guess I'm going to end this one here. Click the like button. If you did not subscribe yet, click the subscribe button. I'm going to try and behave myself and not try and race this Corvette. I know I'll lose anyway. I will see you in the next video. Keep your head on a swivel out there. Later. I lied.